Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through.
Did someone call for a superhero?
The following champion versus champion contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the multiversal infinite champion, the Hurricane.
Let's be honest, guys. This guy has about as many superpowers as he does brain cells.
You know what, Corey? It just seems like you are green with envy.
Oh my God, you did not go there.
I did.
The American Badass has rolled into town.
And his opponent from Death Valley, weighing in at 305 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, The Undertaker.
A metamorphosis of destruction is on display.
He may not dress like Satan himself anymore, but he's still down with the devil and ready to get medieval tonight.
The judge, the jury, the executioner set to hold court in the ring. You heard the bell ring, match is underway, Falls Count Anywhere. There are no disqualifications, there are no countouts.
The disdain these superstars share for one another is palpable. The vitriol is through the roof.
We won't have to worry about a ring containing them because this...
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Made it to the ropes and found a way out.
Boom! Man.
Oof. What now? Oh, a stop to the belly welly.
That catches Hurricane looking. Oh, the Undertaker gonna ring the arm. Leg drop.
Caught with a punch.
And they're going shot for shot, blow for blow. Oh! Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this. The fight is on, and it's furious.
They are emptying their tanks, going back and forth like this.
What impressive determination from both competitors, keeping at each other no matter what.
Oh, man.
You can feel the contact, and so does the WWE Universe. Oh, big uppercut.
Trying to end this match here and now.
And he gets the shoulder up before two.
Fighting hard to stay in this match.
Just grounded and pounded.
The best thing about a no disqualification match is how it can bring out a superstar's creativity. Sometimes there's a violent artist inside these competitors just begging to come out in a match like this.
I don't know, Corey. Wouldn't watercolors be just as effective?
No, not unless...
Vaulting plancha, incredible.
Throwing all caution to the wind and flying around like a bat out of hell.
Stomp in the leg.
And Undertaker with momentum on his side.
The Undertaker cannot be stopped. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He answers right back.
Hurricane might be able to start mounting something here.
This could be a chance for Hurricane to get some distance and rethink things. In the eye of the Hurricane.
Guys,
hit that with everything and following it with the pin.
And he kicks out at two.
And frustration might be starting to set in. He's got the Undertaker dead to rights, and it looks like the gunslinger's out of ammo.
Hurricane.
Breaker. Hurricane got it. Can he end it?
2. Kick out. I thought it was finished off for sure.
Oh my gosh. The Undertaker resists his demise.
Amazing resilience from the dead man.
Hurricane came through with all his power, but it still wasn't enough to blow the cup. Kick right to the knee. This could be it here, guys. Wrapping him up.
Look at this.
Yes, Maestro. Shoulders down.
No, stops the count at 2.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out. Just getting bounced off the ring post. Big leg drop. Undertaker is ready to collect another soul, gentlemen. I think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his last ride.
The Hurricane's chances are fading.
And staying with it into the cover.
It's over. Undertaker gets it done.
Here is your winner, The Undertaker.
A victory here for The Undertaker.
What did you expect? Big Evil dominates once again.
Just stomped right through the competition tonight. A sight we're used to seeing from the dead man.